First of all, how does it feel to win this award?
It's an outstanding honor from an outstanding publication, so I feel great. I'm just glad my family was here to see it.
Any advice for young lawyers out there, young attorneys?
Practice with integrity. You can be competitive without sacrificing your integrity. Fight hard for your clients, but always remember that truth is the most important thing.
What does it feel like to be here tonight to win this award?
Well, honored. Really don't know what to say. I'm just kind of ecstatic that to be chosen in this inaugural class to be part of this, because there's a lot of people out there that did a lot of good work and really good attorneys and had a lot of good things to do. And so I'm just glad to be part of it.
Excellent. Any advice for young attorneys out there?
The only thing that I would say to anybody that's just starting out in any career, always do your best, be honest with people, and do the very best that you can, and tell people the truth about it, and don't get in any trouble, and don't put yourself in a position where you lose your bar license, because you want to do what's right, and it's important to do that, because we have a lot of black spots on the profession, and people think of lawyers as used car salesmen and things, and so we need to do everything that we can to keep people's trust.
I thought the event was a huge success, and of course I'm personally just floored to be a part of this group. I mean, when I hear the resumes and the accomplishments of most of the people in here, it was amazing. So I'm just blown away, frankly.
Any advice for young attorneys out there, future business classes?
Well, I think the key is that you just got to go for it. You got to get a vision for what you want to do with your practice and what you're passionate about, and don't be afraid to give it a try and go for it.
I'm deeply honored, but I have to say, you're not a success in the practice of law without a team around you, so whatever honor or credit I deserve really goes to the paralegals and the secretaries and the other lawyers in our firm, because it's a team approach from A to Z.
Any advice for young attorneys out there starting out?
Work hard. They say the law is a jealous mistress. That's very true, but if you have a passion for it, you'll love it. But it's a lot of hard work, and to be a good lawyer, you have to work hard. You can't just dabble in it.
Tell me what it means to win this award, this inaugural class.
Well, I'm a bit overwhelmed. I was just happy to be in the company of all these other lawyers who all got to know were fine lawyers, and I was very surprised to win it. It means a lot to me that my colleagues and others think well of what I've done over my career.
Any challenges in your career? Anything that you had to overcome to get here?
I can't complain about having to overcome. We've all had to overcome something to survive for these 43 years that I've been practicing law. But it's been a pleasure to serve my community in that way, and I can't complain about any obstacles.
What do you like most about your practice, your profession?
Well, you help people solve problems, and you help people resolve disputes, and sometimes you help. As I did, as a legislator, I helped draft the laws, I helped administer the laws as a judge, and again, back in practicing law, I help people solve problems.
Excellent. And finally, any advice for young attorneys out there just starting out?
Work hard, do a good job, follow the rules.